Is that working? It's working. Okay. Howdy, everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. Let's dive right into it. Okay. Live stream questions. Let's take a look at FET. Oh no, when did you ask that? The 4th. Today is Jesus, dude. How did you call this? That's a 75% return. What the hell, dude? You called that the day before it happened. Yeah, nice MR condition. It mean averted and then just immediately took off. It's weird. That probably would have shaken me out, to be honest. Unless we're talking about the daily. Hold on. Yeah, never mind. So daily. Okay, I see what you're looking at. Yeah, so daily wave PM cross, everything below 0.7. You have that cross up above that implies true expansion is 75% return. I gotcha. Yeah, no, that's great. Fantastic. Take a look at TLM. Okay. No, do not. This is an active downtrend. You do not want that. That's bad. PRV, BPC. Bitcoin, ETH, and Almighty Soul. Are you asking me to praise the sun? Because I will. I'll do that. Yeah, I'm actively downtrending. Don't touch it. HBAR. Interesting. Daily expansion, but your 4-hour pivot's just really messed up. That's a hard play. And then interestingly enough, we did stop at the upper boundary of the daily CLCP. I would hold on this one for now. All right, let's do Bitcoin. You know what? BTC. I'm happy to say that one Bitcoin is in fact still worth one Bitcoin. Now, we shall also check, yes, Bitcoin USD for obvious reasons. So, we had a flash crash. Cat said some really good stuff the other day. Bitcoin flashing its moves, especially flash crashing, is par for the course. It follows from the amount of leverage that gets used to trade it. In general, mid and high time frame ACAT has done a fairly decent job at suggesting pivots. But the reality is that when these move happens, a lower time frame expansion can turn into a flash move within 15 to 30 minutes, and short of being there watching it in real time, you'd miss it. And generally, Bitcoin's behavior rewards people who are conservative about leverage and religious about waiting for good R&R entries. That's the truth. Well said, Cat. HBAR. Oh, Zegzem. You just missed HBAR. I'll do it again, though. Yeah, HBAR is interesting because you have this daily wave PM expansion, which does imply a nice sustainable trend. The only issue I'm having with it is that you've crossed inside the MR condition on the 4 hour, which does imply midterm compression. Check out XVG. What's the error saying? Let's check it. I can do it again. Hold on. Oh, never mind. No. Sweet. This is interesting. 4 hour swing low CLCP. That might actually be a play. I think that's a play, actually. Yeah, 3.2 CLCP bounces are actually a thing. You can take those. It's not the most consistent thing in the world, but it is a play. You try to enter now. Stop loss, like maybe down to 49. Target, just go for the 2-to-1 profit ratio. Pretty simple. Next up, take a look at scale. Is only traded in USD. It's not it. Completely compressed on the daily, but that's also stemming from the fact that there's not a lot of data. So I do not know. Let's check out Qtum. Yeah, a lot of these charts have really good daily compression, but I just need the 4 hours to be tilting in the right direction to do anything about it. So nothing yet. But actually on this one, no, that was a bearish MR. Okay, so MR pivot crossed and now it's compressing, so nothing there. Let's do Bitcoin. We need to do Bitcoin. So daily trend pivot. Actually, first and foremost, I really need to point out this. We do have complete compression on daily BPM, which for like the last half month, we've been saying the following. That as soon as our 14 period wave PM reading crosses up above the 0.7 value, which is this year, we will see significant trend whichever direction the CCI is pointing. So if that's down, it could be a bearish expansion, and that would result in downward trend. So keep your eyes peeled on Bitcoin. And if this does not mean revert with this pivot, which is based on the 1 hour, 140 period, 120 period at the time, then you are going to want to trade the bounce down on that. Because if that does trigger the daily expansion to the downside, you will want to short it. But if that does end up mean reverting fairly quickly, or starting mean reversion fairly quickly, then you can safely re-enter the position. Re-enter your longs, so to speak. But for now, wait, because kind of sitting on the precipice here. Because my previous live streams, I was saying Bitcoin has potential of being bullish because there's a lot of the gas in the tank. And the only problem with that is just be confident on the direction the car is going to go in. Because just because you have gas in the tank, it doesn't mean it's going up. It can go either direction. But we have a nice handy little tool called the CCI to tell us which direction it's actually pointing. Right now it's down. And as soon as we get a little bit more confirmation on the daily chart, well, we'll have some exactly that confirmation. Okay. Live stream questions. Check out Sol. Was this a trade call? When did I make this? July 7th. Damn. That's too bad. And so we cut it right here. It's a little bit early by the looks of it. That's really too bad. Damn. That has tripled in price since I called it. That is notably disappointing that we had the right idea just at the wrong time. Oh well. Yeah, daily dollar short on this train though. That's too bad. Ethereum. 4-hour chart is mean reverting. You can actually take a short on this pretty reliably. We're going to make that CCI roll down. I'm going to use 140 period CCI roll down on the 4-hour chart for your short entry on Ethereum. Okay. Okay. As for our NEO call, we hit first take profit and then we have since dumped. So let's hold off on that one. But congratulations. That's going to be it for tonight. It's been a pleasure. I will talk to you all next week.